Tayo lang talaga yung nakakaalam. Ayun, enjoy your day. I love that.
Happy birthday, Abby. Thank you for always being beside me and helping me with my work. I love you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda kong pamangkin. Birthday sa gawang si Celos. Sorry, maiksi lang ito kasi madalaw kami sa duwen. Alam mo na. Always be humble and kind. Kapag may gusto ka palaging event out, at dito lang lagi si Tita. Pero i-PM mo na lang kasi tamad akong magpasa. I wish you all the best. God bless you always. Love na love kita. Love na love ka ng pinakamaganda mong tita.
Pero one message ko lang sa'yo, happy sweet 16. Naalala ko lang nung parang unexpected yung friendship natin kasi late natin nalaman na magkakilala pala si Tita Jen tsaka si Tita Gretchen. And I'm so happy kasi na-meet kita and ikaw yung lifesaver namin kasi minsan kapag may kailangan kami ni Tita, nag-a-ask kami sa inyo and andyan kayo palagi ni Tita Gretchen. And ayun, happy sweet 16, may this best your day and I hope sana nag-enjoy ka and alam kong gutom ka na and sana let mo lang yung kasita mo na mag-enjoy din. You deserve all the love and happiness this world can give you. Have a blessing. Thank you for all your chika. Na-miss kita kaya gusto ko i-hug.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Krishna! Sana makain mo lahat ng biscuit na flavored na things in the whole wide world. Yun ang pinaka-wish ko for you. Oh, kayo naman.
Krishna, I love you so much. Miss na kitang maging seatmate. Oh, I love you so much. Sana lahat ng wish mo sa mundo matupad. I love you so much.
Sana maging masaya ka habang buhay.
Love you so much.
Next.
Birthday, Krishna. Sana maging masaya ka ngayon. 16 years old. Kasi sabi mo, ang haba ng 15 years old mo. Sana ganun din kayo 16 years old. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday to you.